happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Mag-iingat ka dyan lagi. Magkape ka bago ka magtrabaho, love. Please, ingatan mo lagi yung sarili mo at huwag mong pabayaan. Malayo man tayo sa isa't isa. Para sa akin is malapit lang kasi araw-araw kitang nakatabi, araw-araw kitang nakakausap. Sana sunod na birthday mo is magkasama na tayo, love. Wish ko lang sana bawasan mo yung pagkatupakan mo, pagka sobrang maldita mo. Kasi minsan ay hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit lagi kang tinututok sa akin, laging galit, na minsan hindi ko maisip na kung ano ba talaga yung kasalanan ko. Wish ko lang talaga, love, sa birthday mo ngayon na sana is bawasan mo yung pagkatutok, sobrang maldita mo. Love, mahal na mahal kita. Sana magiging masaya ka sa konting video o sa konting handaan yung ginawa sa'yo. Love, lagi mo handaan para sa'yo. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Still, but the colors fade away, and the years won't make us gray. But baby, in my eyes, you'll still be beautiful. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You set my heart from being broken apart.
Hi Hazel, happy birthday to you. I hope more birthdays to come in your life. Good health always. And sana masaya ka sa surprise sila yun sa iyong birthday ngayon. And good health always. And stay strong lang kayong dalawa. I hope magkita kayo soon. And stay what you are. Alam kong masaya kayong dalawa sa inyong relasyon at sa inyong pagmamahalan. Once again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. I love you both.
All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You set my heart
Philippines and KSA. To Hazel, happy birthday to you. I hope more birthdays to come and God bless. Good health always. And sana masaya ka sa surprise and action para sa inyo. Stay lang kayong dalawa. Stay strong and I love you both. Once again, happy birthday.